Hello dear students, Pune ZP Pune. Welcome in this online class. Today we are going to learn Standard 4th Subject English, A Never Ending Story, page number 82 and 83. Learning outcome of this story is as this. Let's start. A never ending story. Listen carefully and read with me. लक्ष देऊन ऐका आणि माझ्याबरोबर वाचा. Once there was a king. He loved stories. Tell me a story, he said all the time. At the end of the story, he said, and then what happened next? Nothing. This is the end, said the storyteller. Tell me a story that has no end. I want a never-ending story. The storyteller thought and thought. All his stories had an end. He could not think of a never-ending story. Then he had a bright idea. He began to tell a new story. Once there was a king. He lived in a big palace. The palace had a big kitchen and a big storehouse. There were big heaps of grains in the storehouse. There was a hole in the wall of storehouse. A little sparrow saw the hole and swiftly flew inside the storehouse. Then she picked a grain and flew away. What happened next? Said the king. Then another sparrow saw the hole, flew in, picked a grain and flew away. Oh, and then what happened next? Then a third sparrow saw the hole, flew in, picked a grain and flew away. And then a fourth sparrow saw the hole. The story went on and on like this. Even now, the storyteller is telling the king the story about grains and the sparrows. If you don't believe me, you can go there and see for yourself. Do you like this story? Read this story again and again. Question. Discuss in Marathi how you can end the storyteller's never-ending story. म्हणजे गोष्ट सांगणाऱ्या त्या माणसाच्या न संपणाऱ्या गोष्टीचा तुम्ही कसा शेवट कराल याची मराठीत चर्चा करा. उदाहरणार्थ, स्टोर हाऊसची देखरेख करणाऱ्या रक्षकाने स्टोर हाऊसचे होल बुजवले. त्यामुळे आपोआप चिमण्यांचे कोठारात शिरून दाणे उचलणे बंद झाले व गोष्ट संपली. याप्रमाणे. रीड अँड लर्न. फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, सेवन्थ, एट्थ, नाइन्थ, टेन्थ. Now write the two words that make up these big words. म्हणजे हे मोठे शब्द तयार करणारे दोन शब्द लिहा. First is storyteller and the answer is story and teller. Second is never ending and the answer is never and ending. Third is storehouse and answer is store house. Now try to find ऑदर नेव्हर एंडिंग स्टोरीज प्रेझेंट युअर आयडियाज इन इंग्लिश. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, वन बस केम टू द बस स्टँड अँड वेंट अवे. आफ्टर 5 minutes अनदर बस केम. याप्रमाणे तुमच्या पाठ्यपुस्तकाच्या पान नंबर 84 वर काही न संपणाऱ्या गोष्टी दिल्या आहेत. त्याप्रमाणे तुम्हालाही अशा गोष्टी बनवायच्या आहेत आणि त्या इंग्रजीत प्रेझेंट करायच्या आहेत. थँक यू.